Geocacher here. Look, I found another old railroad station. This one from the Great Western Railway. I'm in Loveland, Colorado. The Great Western Railway is still in use today, and it was originally created in the early 1900s to haul sugar beets around the area, but it's more of an industrial line now, and it runs to a number of the smaller cities here in northern Colorado. But hey, it's a geocaching day too. Let's go find a few geocaches in Loveland, Colorado. And also there's another railroad station I'm going to visit as well. It wouldn't be a complete day without an LPC geocache, but I think I'll skip this one. No stinging bugs here. I looked under this light pole and it is not in there. Instead, it's right in there. See that little nano? This old Colorado and Southern Railway station is now the home of a nice restaurant. The building has been nicely restored and it's in great shape. There hasn't been a passenger train here in many years, but they ran between Denver up to the north through Loveland here, and then Fort Collins, and all the way up through Wyoming, up to Billings, Montana, once upon a time. There's a sign nearby that says that these brick pavers are actually bricks from the original railroad station that used to be here before this one was built in 1902. When hiding a geocache in a place like this, it probably needs to be on the other side, away from the road. That's where my GPS points. Lots of little cubby holes. Nothing there. Could be under a rock or behind a rock. How about this one? Aha! There it is. Let's see what's in here. There's the log. The website lists a travel bug in here, but it's not there. I'll sign the log, put the cache back, and we'll go find another cache. There's quite an impressive spider web nearby. Say this grasshopper is in danger. How many guardrail caches have you found? Got to be careful of the bees. Cache is right in there. I've seen a few containers like this one. There's a decent view from the cache as well. A couple hundred feet behind me here is the location of ground zero for an augmented reality cache, where you have to visit that spot and then search around with an app on your phone, and it will magically show, kind of floating above the parking lot, the actual coordinates of the cache, which I'm going to find next. Nice cottonwood tree here, with a nice ammo can under it. Inside this ammo can, of course, I found the log. Let's stamp that right now. It was in the bag. Also in the bag was a little travel bug to move on, which I will do. I'm going to trade this geocoin for it. It says Mom on it. I picked this up in Wyoming. Also in the cache, we have a strange barbed wire bracelet. It's made of plastic. I just noticed there was a big feather sitting here. Looks like it's from a goose. I won't put that in the cache. Little flashlight. Little dinosaur. And a variety of other things. So let's put it back where it was, and then we'll move on to the next cache. Official geocache. It says so right on it. Glad to be finishing my geocache hunt today in a nice park. The park is pretty deserted here, and there's a geocache nearby here, or supposedly it was a DNF for me. But I did have fun today, finding a number of caches and a couple of good train stations. Thanks for watching this episode of Caching with Cadgerman. There should be a button nearby where you can subscribe, and also click the like button down below if you enjoyed watching this one. You can also check out some of my other episodes. So, until we meet again, see you down the trail somewhere. Take care, everybody, and so long. Bonus cache, one of Mondo's.